Hi students, I hope you all prepared very well for your maths exam. Tomorrow you are going to write a maths exam. Be confident. Whatever questions you prepared for exams, you are going to get those questions only. And here I am going to give some instructions which you have to follow in your exam. First thing, after getting the question paper, read question paper carefully and you decide which section you have to start first. Most of the students, they prepared section 3 well. Means if they ask all sections, you prepared very well. In section 3, all 6 marks questions you prepared very perfectly. Means if they ask any type of question also, you are ready to answer them. So better first you select section 3. In that section 3, graph question will be coming. The graph question, construction question, statistics, mensuration, or probability, or progressions. So better start section 3, or else if you are convenient with section 1, you can start from section 1, section 2, section 3 in order you can write. Okay, and for rough work you can make one separate column in that page only, or else you take one separate additional sheet for rough work. That also countable, and that also you have to attach, and you have to take invigilator signature. At last means main sheet, additional sheets, next graph sheet, and at last bit paper. Rough paper also one additional sheet, but that you attach after your main additional sheets. Okay, so no need to worry. Ask invigilator that I'm using this additional sheet for rough work. They will do signature, and you write mention clearly there. It is for rough work. Okay, and one more instruction is that on graph you must write scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, or 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, or 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Whatever that scale you are taking, that you write carefully. And x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis capital letters. Locate points carefully. And construction, similar triangles are tangents and secants to a circle construction. Rough diagram must, main construction, and steps of construction. Total you will get 6 marks. Immediately you draw rough diagram. And next question is statistics, mean, median, or mode. Okay, all questions are very easy. Whatever you prepared, those questions only will come. Okay, and one more thing, as usual, I said in previous videos, don't write your hall ticket number on part B. Okay, don't write hall ticket number on part B. Only on question paper you write your hall ticket number. Anywhere in additional sheet or main sheet, anywhere you should not mention your name or your hall ticket number. Okay, and while doing part B, avoid overwritings. Read the question carefully. 30 minutes are there, 20 bits, more than enough. Read the question paper and that part B. Attempt. If question is wrong also, you write any one option. Don't write that correct answer. If any question correct option is not there also, you choose any one answer and write there. But don't write correct answer there. Again, I'm telling that this is very, very important. What happened, because in school exams, you might have written that correct answer, but here if option is not there, means you write any one option, they will give you marks. Okay, first thing is that read the question paper carefully, and second thing is select the proper section first, and third thing is attach carefully all the additional sheets and graph paper and part B at last, bit paper at last you have to attach. And third thing is you have to write scale and rough diagram must, don't forget them. and given data. 16 questions you have to write. In 16 given should be there in the exam. 16 given data, given. What is given? 2 marks or 4 marks or 6 marks, given must. Okay. And what is that? One more thing is, if it is possible, you maintain like this. Section 1, suppose you started section 3, all 4 questions you write first, section 3 questions. Next you go to section 1, and in that section 1 also you write all 6 questions in that, then go to section 2. Why? Because most of the students section 1 first 1 question, section 2 again 1 question. You can write like that, nothing will happen, but try to write all that section questions at one place, means in order. In order in the sense, see, you started section 3. Section 3 starts from 13th question. 13th you don't know, 14th, yes, you can write, no problem. And afterwards 13th, and afterwards 16th, afterwards 18th. All section 3 over, 4 sums. Again go to section 1. In section 1, 6 questions are there. First you are writing section 1, that is the 6th question. Okay, you can write. Again section 1, second question. Means all section questions you complete it and go to next question, next section. I'm telling that. Okay, if it is possible, you try like that. Okay, so question paper will be very easy. Read the question carefully and write the correct formula, and try to keep the formula in box. Okay, that formula you write in box, and the last 4 marks, one formula, 4 marks or 2 marks. Describe the terms means you write neatly, clearly. Don't use shortcuts. Observation means most of the students, they are using that OBS. Don't write shortcuts in exam. Write clear sentence. Number means NUMBR. NO should not write. Number of observations clearly. NO, number of OF, OBS. Don't use shortcuts in exam, because 4 marks question they will ask formula. So each and every sentence write neatly. Describe the terms neatly. Okay, so these are the instructions. So don't worry, you will getting easy paper, right? And one more thing, this is an instruction to the parents. Don't make them to wake up early morning 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Listen carefully, everyone, parents also. Make them to sleep. Sleep well, students. Wake up at 5:30 and revise all the formulae morning. Okay, revise all formulae. Again, don't take stress in the morning. You'll getting, I said already, you are going to get easy paper. Morning, once you revise all the formula, enough. 1 hour, 1.5 hour, you revise the formula and go to peacefully in your examination center, and don't discuss anything in the examination center. Uh, be confident and write well. All the very best, my dear students.